Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another flip through. Okay, so yes, I realize it is now March, but I'm going to be flipping through my December 2019 that I finally finished. Yes. So, this is my November December creative daily journal or daily creative journal or whatever you want to call it. It is made out of an altered composition book that I've added two signatures to. And if you want to learn how to make a book like this, then check the description box below because it will have the link to the playlist of how I make my altered books. And it's the same process for any book that you want to alter. So there's that. Okay, let's just get started. So I'm going to have to try to remember, because obviously this was last year already. Okay, so this part of the book here is my November that I've already done flip throughs on. Oh, and by the way, if you want to see my previous flip throughs, excuse me, here's Fred. I am very sorry. If you want to see my flip throughs, I have a playlist that I will link below as well. A playlist of every single flip through I've done since day one, 5 years ago when I started doing these journals. Okay, so if you're interested in that, go ahead and check out that playlist as well. So this is my December portion. It is fairly thick. And what I did for December, okay, is I went through the entire month previously. On this day, I guess I was in a rush because I put this scrapbook paper in upside down. Anyway, what I decided to do for the month of December to try to help me stay on track, which actually did not end up helping at all because I was so behind. Last year was a really rough year. So anyhow, what I did was I went through the entire month and I pre-decorated everything, meaning, excuse me again, I clipped out like festive images, holiday images from various magazines, used Happy Mail on some of them, used scrapbook paper, and I just made like tucks and pockets throughout the whole month. And then I have a plethora of holiday and not holiday notepad papers. So what I did was I went through and in each tuck or pocket I put in these notepad papers so that then when I went back to do my journaling, it would just be really quick to take the notepad paper out, jot down what happened that day and stick it into the tuck or pocket. So that's how I did the whole of December. And then I also, I believe it was on a live one day, I was working on these clusters, date clusters, and I just simply made them out of bits from scrapbook paper. I had typed out the days and cut them out. And then I used, alongside, I used Recreations by Brooks date stickers that I order every month. So that's what I did for my dates for the month of December as well. And it was a lot of fun. I really like doing the whole date cluster thing. So let's just get started. Okay. I am so sorry. Fred is relentless today. Okay, so this was Sunday the 1st of December, and here it is, a notepad paper. That's it. And I just jotted my notes on it and called it macaroni. And yeah, that's how I did the entire month, and it was great. So had a lazy day. Let's see. I spent most of the day, okay, it was a Sunday. So I spent most of the day on the computer uploading videos. Okay, this day too, I worked in my room while I was watching Susan and Laura's live. They do, Susan is Hottie Popo and Laura is the Jersey Crafter. Links will be below. Always check my description box. Always check the show more because I link everybody and everything that I can possibly link so that it makes it easier for you guys to find the people that I'm speaking about. So I watched their live and I was able to work and watch. So that was good. And then I wanted to get on Joie de Fille's premiere at 2 o'clock this day. She does a premiere. This is Joie de Fille. Again, link will be below. She has a fabulous channel. And she does a premiere on like a video, a YouTube video, every Sunday at 2 p.m. And Yeah, she is super duper creative. She has so many ideas on her channel of how you can do, using up book pages and making pockets and all sorts of fun, inspirational ideas for your journal. And then she had also, I was very humbled. She had asked me if I wanted to collaborate with her on a project that she was doing for this year, 2020. And what it was, she was making on her channel a playlist of various junk journalers and artists. And it was a playlist for junk journal ideas or journaling ideas for the year 2020. So I was very humbled that she asked me to participate in that, and I will have the links below to all of that, right? I'll put the link to Joie's playlist, and because there are a lot of different ideas on that playlist for what people are doing for their journaling in 2020, and I'll also link below the video that I did to put on that playlist. So make sure you check the links. Yeah, so my video aired right after hers did on this day. Yeah, and there were such sweet comments. So I was very blessed indeed. And it was a very fun project to do with her. Excuse me again. So this day here, I received a really sweet card and happy mail from a YouTube friend, Susan. So thank you very much, Susan. She was one of the winners of my watercolor Christmas cards, and I wish I had one here to show you. I don't know what I did with them, actually, but I'll leave the link below because I did a tutorial on how I watercolored these little Christmas tags for my Facebook and YouTube friends. So that was a lot of fun. And then I did a giveaway of 10 different tags on my YouTube channel. So she was one of the winners, and she sent me a lovely card thanking me, so that was sweet. And then so on this day here, let's see, this was a Monday, we had hot dogs for dinner. So I found a hot dog picture in a magazine, hope that wasn't too glary, and woke late, beautiful day, called grandma, started laundry, began water. Okay, so this day I began watercoloring my Facebook and YouTube Christmas cards. They were like tags, little tags. My ramble session went up, worked in my craft room most of the day, easy dinner. So yeah, make sure you check the links below. So I did that, and that was fun. I really had a lot of fun making those cards. And then on this day here, I hope it's not too glary. Nope. Okay, I must have received my December date stickers from Brooke, Recreations by Brooke. I will be sure to put her link below, as well as her Etsy shop. Yeah, because I order each month, I order her date stickers, and they're super fun. Okay, so let's see. I have a birthday card, an early birthday card for my sweet grandma, the one that I call every Monday. And then this right here, this card here is a playing card. My husband, I don't know where he got them from. It must have been like a free gift or something that he could have chosen. And so he chose to get me a deck of cards because he knows that I use these in my journal, and they have like a compass rose on them. So super cute and super sweet of him, really sweet. And so let's see, Burr, it was 56 degrees. Yes, that is cold for here. So yeah, it was cold outside. So on this day, I was again working on my Christmas cards. Let's see. Worked on and posted several pages to my journaling group. So yay. Oh, and then this day too, we went up to, what day was this? This was a Tuesday. Okay, so we went up to the city to look at a boat. At this time, my husband and I, mostly my husband, was looking for a boat because if you've been following along with me, you know that our boat sunk like 2 years ago. So anyhow, we were looking for a boat. And my husband liked the boat a lot. He wanted my daughter's boyfriend to come look at it because my daughter's boyfriend is a boat mechanic. So yeah, we did that. And then I had a nice long video chat with Brookie from Recreations by Brooke. We have video chats and they are so much fun. And yeah, we caught up on all the news, and yeah, I love having video chats with her. So much fun. And then, look here, I put might snow tonight, LOL, right? Because it was so freaking cold. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Oh, and then later on, I caught a little bit of Joshua Alexander's 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. He was doing a giveaway this past Christmas, and it was super fun. It was just super fun. And if you haven't watched Joshua Alexander, he is an artist and a maker of many different things. He has many different talents. He's a young lad, married to a lovely, lovely, he calls her his queen. And yeah, they're just a really cute family. And yeah, he does a lot of stuff. So if you haven't checked him out, check him out. Anyway, he was doing a giveaway. And so my name got put in the bucket. I think he stored them in a cabin, in a like a ceramic cabin, and then he would pick a name, like after, you know, he would draw a name, and then whoever's name was drawn would win whatever he was giving away. Some of it was his, well, all of it was like his artwork and stuff. You just have to go check him out. Okay, so anyway, on this day here, this is a new home card from my dear friend Heidi Hornsby over in the UK. She sent me a card because I knew she had moved house, so that was very sweet of her. And here's my little, I hope it's not too glary, here's my little notepad paper, right? And I think, see, I don't recall having this Elf on a Shelf notepad paper. So I'm pretty sure that some of these papers came from another YouTube and Facebook friend, Laura, and I will put her link below. She does a lot of, well, she does a lot of different types of videos, but she's an avid reader. So she does a lot about books and reading books. So check her out as well. There are going to be a lot of links. So let's see. Finished all of my Facebook friend Christmas cards and sent them out. So that was nice. Oh gosh, this began the whole tenant saga, okay? If you've been following along in my flip throughs and in my ramble sessions and all of that stuff, we have a rental property and the tenants were horrid and it was a nightmare, and they've since been evicted. So there's that. There's the long and the short of that. Okay, so on this day here, I know from this right here and this beautiful lotus wax seal and this beautiful mandala stamp that I got something from the very talented Christy Biddleston. This is what it was wrapped in. I had ordered a mandala painting from her. And there it is right there. It sits very proudly in my display case. So there it is, and it's absolutely stunning, and I love it. And I ordered it from her Etsy shop, so I'll put her information in as well. Again, this was paper from Laura, my friend Laura. And then here is her Christy's beautiful thank you card. So sweet. She's such a talented artist. She also sent me this, a beautiful piece of silk with a little mandala charm on it. Look how beautiful that is. She is a fabulous artist. Oh my goodness. And a very sweet friend. This is another notepad that I don't recognize, so I must have gotten this from Laura as well. So I was gonna work in my room all day, but Big Handsome wanted to go to the Keys. So we packed up and headed south, and then we hit our normal haunts. Oh, we went to Salvation Army, and I actually found, it's right here, an Ideals, a Christmas Ideals magazine. Oh my gosh, and guess what? I got it for 10 cents, okay? Hello. Yeah. So did that, got a load of books and magazines from the library, went home and relaxed. Oh, I was able to catch Brooke's live. Brooke goes on live every Thursday night at 6 p.m. And a lot of times I don't get to catch the whole thing because our dinner time is around 6:37. So, but this day I was able to watch the whole thing. So that was great. And yeah, it's just such a fun group of people. So if you have not been to one of her lives, it's super fun and you must go. And then she also has a Facebook group, so I'll leave all the links below to that as well. And then I watched Joshua Alexander's 12-day giveaway, and I got my name put into the cabin twice, but I didn't win. But it was just fun anyway. And congrats to all the winners who won his beautiful pieces of his beautiful artwork. So it was super fun. Okay, there's the ideals book. Came from a Keys, like a Florida Keys brochure, and it's just a picture of like the quintessential Keys house. Now, mine doesn't look like this, but this is more like a Key West style, but super pretty artwork. So I had to just tip that in. And then this day here tells me I got some happy mail from a few people. So my sweet sister Karen from Down Under sent me some happy mail, as well as my sweet friend Linda, Facebook friend, sent me some happy mail. And in her happy mail was this cute little notepad. She knows how much I love notepads. And let's see what I got here. This is from Sweet Karen, and her oh, okay. Look at this beautiful, well, without her sharing her letter. Look at that beautiful paper. That's so stinking gorgeous. I probably ought to keep this out because it is a great reference for watercolor, and that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, whoops. Okay, let me keep that out because that's super fun. Okay, and then what she sent me, see, she sends me these first day of issue stamps. Oh my gosh, isn't that gorgeous? Like one Australia Christmas Island and Australia Christmas Island. Oh, they're both, okay. So this is the Christmas Island one on the left. So cute. And Christmas 2019. Just so beautiful. They're just so fun. And I really appreciate her sending me her beautiful first day of issue stamps. They're just super fun. Okay, let's see if I can get this on here without tearing anything. All right, and then let's see what's in here. Okay, pocket. Okay, this is a pocket out of like a paper bag. Huh. I don't know. Oh no, it was her envelope. Duh. Okay. So in here was the sweet little card that my friend Linda made me. So that was very sweet. So I put that in there. And then my little note card I had to fold in half. Okay, so slow, lazy morning, worked on pages that I had prepped in September. Okay, now is that not sad or what? So yeah. In this month of December, I was still working in my September book. Did I say that right? In this month of December, I was still working in September. Yeah, oh my gosh. And then on this day, Big Handsome had met with our realtor over at the bungalow to get an idea of what we might be able to sell it for, because we're looking to sell it. Again, at this time, we're going through drama with the tenants. And yeah, it was a nightmare. So anyway, we're looking to put it on the market. And so that's what that was about. Let me put this in somehow. Come on now. All right. So this goes in here. See, there were just like a lot of tucks, tags, and pockets. And it's not going in here because, okay, there we go. All right, got it in there. Okay, I think I'll just leave you right here. How far do we get? Only 6 days in, not even a week. All right, so thank you so much for sharing your time with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you want to see more flip throughs and more stuff that I get into, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up if you would like to. And yeah, come back and see more flip throughs. And make sure, again, that you check the description below because there are going to be a lot of links in there. Yep, I want to make it easy for you guys to go over and find inspiration from those beautiful people that give me inspiration daily. So, yes, thank you for sharing your time with me, and I will talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.